Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Commuters along the East-West Road may now heave a sigh of relief as the federal government has concluded arrangements to release 20 billion naira for its rehabilitation. Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, made the disclosure recently in Abuja at a meeting with the Managing Director of the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority, NSIA, Uche Orji, and contractors handling sections 1 to 4 of the East-West Road Rehabilitation Project. Correspondent Tekena Miofori has the report.
Several years after it was abandoned by previous administrations, President Olusegun Obasanjo awarded contract for the rehabilitation and reconstruction of the East-West Road in 2006. The project, which was to be completed by 2010 to alleviate the plight of commuters along the road, had lingered for lack of funds to finance it. To ensure its speedy completion, the federal government in 2009 mandated the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs to supervise the East-West Road project. While sections 1 and 3 of the East-West Road project have been completed and are already in use, sections 2 and 4, stretching from Kayama to Port Harcourt, have been in a state of disrepair. Concerned about the slow pace of work on the East-West Road, President Muhammadu Buhari in 2018 transferred the project funding to the Presidential Infrastructure Development Fund under the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority. After parting with about 16 billion naira as historical debt to contractors in the last 1 year, the federal government has decided to commence work on failed portions of the East-West Road. At a recent meeting with the Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority and contractors handling the project, Senator Akpabio said, government's renewed efforts to complete the East-West Road was a reflection of President Buhari's commitment to infrastructure development in the Niger Delta.
This is a renewed commitment on our part. The President is totally committed to ensuring the completion of this project. He didn't start it, but he's doing it in many other projects, and the East-West Road cannot be an exception.
The PIDF has been a very successful initiative of its president. And quite frankly, I think we're very privileged to be managing it and going through a time like this. And I believe with the commitment shown by the minister, and obviously as we go into our meetings with the contractors, we expect that we will be able to accomplish the objectives set by the presidency.
At the meeting, Senator Akpabio mandated contractors handling 4 sections of the East-West Road to mobilize to site, noting that arrangements had been concluded through the NSIA for the release of 20 billion naira for a speedy completion of the project.
I have visited the road about 5 times, and I saw that even some of the sections you did had broken down, such as the one in Nkolu Junction and I think Rumodara. That if all contractors can return to site this week, it will make available immediately in the interim about 20 billion to pay for any generated IPC. We expect a very high quality job from you, no cutting of corners, so that we can deliver not just on time, but we can deliver quality infrastructure that will last the test of time.
To verify Akpabio's claim, our crew visited a badly damaged spot at Nkolu Junction in Port Harcourt, which falls within Section 2 of the East-West Road Reconstruction Project. To the relief of commuters, work had commenced in earnest on this portion of the road.
The drainage was very low before, but now they've done it very deep. I think it will help us.
So all we are praying is that it will continue and we shall have a good result. And I believe government, much as they have started it, they will accomplish it.
The East-West Road connects virtually all the states in the Niger Delta by road and provides access to several critical national assets in the region. When completed, it is expected to transform the economic landscape not only of the region, but the rest of the country that depends on the oil and gas hub for its economic survival.
Inside the Niger Delta,